What is up, everybody? Today in this tutorial, if you can call it that, we're gonna attempt to sew a quilt block blindfolded.
Now, when we're showing this quilt block blindfolded, one is blindfolded, the other is like the guide, right? And we're talking about cutting, sewing, matching points, the whole 9 yards here. And we're hoping to get a beautiful, simple quilt block done 100% in the dark.
Without cutting fingers, without sewing fingers.
This may be the most dangerous tutorial yet. Let's get started.
Let's get started. So to get started, first we need to find out who's gonna be blindfolded. We're just gonna do a simple coin toss, that way it's fair.
Call it in the air?
Call it in the air, you can call it in the air. Winner picks what they wanna do.
Great.
Ready?
Heads.
Heads.
You could be blindfolded.
Oh, I knew that was gonna
He
happen.
could be blindfolded today.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna get blindfolded. We're gonna start by opening up a Vegas
I've got to do
strip.
the next tutorial, so.
You don't have your fingers for that one, right? So we're gonna open up a Vegas strip, create a blindfold. And Tam's gonna lead the way, I guess.
And we're working on a Vegas strip pattern. Right. Makes it even easier. So we're gonna be using this Vegas strip today, using some white fabric, and we're gonna see how wonky this thing turns out, or I think it's gonna turn out pretty crispy, but we'll see what happens here.
Let's find out.
So first, blindfold. That's the one right there. That's the one. I'll give it to you.
Right.
I trust you that he's gonna put it on nice and tight. And shout out there for Anna Maria Textiles. Very pretty one.
All right, ready?
Go for it.
Here it is.
We've got the Three Musketeers over here. We got this. I'm gonna switch you sides because we're gonna dive right into cutting first. To do the entire quilt block, we need 2 6-inch squares, and we need 2 6.5-inch
Hand me a rotary cutter.
And we need it both out of the Vegas strip, so go ahead and pick out 2 Vegas strips that we're working with.
Definitely gonna go with this one right here.
That's
pretty
pretty
two, right?
Yep, you need 2 different ones.
I was gonna keep it. Oh, 2 different ones?
Yeah, sorry. So you're working with a light pink right now.
All right.
So you need a darker color now.
All right.
Are you gonna layer stack?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
All day.
Reduce the cuts.
All day. All day. Is that gonna match?
Yeah, sure. It's Anna Maria. They all go together. I want to just show everyone Brody's finesse here. How he's finding. He's actually doing way better than what I thought.
Fill for the
Fold.
fold.
Your fold's on the other side.
Oh.
Don't worry, I'm helping him
There
through
we
it,
go.
guys. I'm helping him through it. Brody's got this so far. Okay, so your top piece needs to, on the right side, go up just like less than 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, that will probably work. That will probably work. Now, I'm gonna hand you a ruler. Good thing about our ruler, guys, it's 6.5 inches wide.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Now we're talking. So I gotta line up a line.
You just have to line up a line you can't see, dude.
My knee.
My knee. Brody's doing his hacks here. Line up against the table. You have to cut both sides.
Got it.
It's open.
Oh boy.
It's dangerous.
Oh boy.
It's dangerous.
All day. How was that?
That was clean. That was clean. Now you
Yeah.
gotta do the other side. Luckily our rulers, you can twist it. Oh no. I was gonna say you could just spin the whole thing around. I'm impressed.
Let's see it.
I'm impressed.
Open it.
I'm impressed. Show everyone those blocks.
Dude, are these the blocks?
Yeah. Are these the blocks?
Right here. Hold on. Let me open these so you guys can see.
That's pretty. That's pretty. Okay, so Brody.
I'm not done showing.
Oh, go for it. So now you need to take one from each stack.
Dude,
You
I
gotta
don't know
cut-
which stack is which stack.
You actually have them separated perfectly.
Oh, do I?
One from that stack. Then you need one from that stack there because we gotta size these down to 6 inches square.
Okay.
Stack them on top of each other, and then we're gonna square these down. It's amazing how easy this goes. You're really close. Your top left corner is off by about 1/4 of an
Which
inch.
direction?
The top plate piece needs to go up. Up a little bit more. Just a hair more. A little bit more. Oh, right there. Hold it. Hold it. We're gonna line it up with the lines.
Lines on here?
Yeah, lines on the mat.
Dude, watch this. Hold on.
You're finding the mark that we've done so many times over. How is that? You are just a little bit off on your top left, just the tiniest bit. So keep going to your right a little bit so we can get a darker line because you put it on our cut lines. Keep going to your right. Okay, go to your left, a little bit left, right there. Okay, I'm gonna hand you this. Now we need a 1/2 inch off. You're gonna want to go the other direction, right? No. No. Yeah, go for it, actually. I think you'll be okay. Guys, we're not gonna let him grab the rotary cutter just in case he leaves it open.
Close it last time.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Now we gotta turn it and do it once more. Just one turn. No. It's like halfway crooked. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Right there. All right, same thing. 1/2 inch seam. No.
That's money, dude.
No, not money. That's not money at all. Your bottom right side needs to come towards me to the right a little bit. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right there. He's ready. Ooh.
What's this? What's this?
Clean cut. Clean cut. So at this point of our tutorial, we've got 2 6.5-inch squares and we've got 2 6-inch squares. Let's keep them separate, yeah? You're good. You're good. You're lucky out today. Let me move these ones out of the way. I'm gonna hand you a bolt. I'm gonna take these 2 from you. We need a 6.5-inch strip and 6.5-inch squares.
All day. Watch this. Oh, that's not the ruler.
You're looking for the ruler?
Yeah, where is it?
You put it underneath.
I just picked this up.
But you are quite crooked, my friend.
Bro, I'm not crooked. Wait.
He's going full blind mode.
I'm in, dude.
So yeah, rulers, man. They hold true. They do hold true. You got it? There you go. Ooh. That's Sew Yeah ruler coming in clutch, guys. That's coming in clutch.
It's money. Oh, buddy. Hold on.
You're like off the table. Oh, you're using it as a bump stop. I see what you're doing here. Whew. He's cooking. Oh, you almost just cut yourself. That one you almost just cut yourself. That's pretty impressive.
What we got? Are they good?
Yeah. Yeah, one's on the floor, but you're good. All right. That's pretty much all the cutting. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Right, grab your 2 white squares. You're gonna have to iron them.
Dude, you want me to iron them?
Yeah.
All right.
They need it. Use your right hand. Yep, right there. Yeah, no, don't go down. Right there. Dude. No. It's folded up on top of itself. All right, good. You think you can dock it? Close. Oh, dude, he's got it. He's got it. Well, we're going to now mark our half square triangles.
I'm gonna mark these half square triangles.
Yeah, we're not gonna go willy-nilly. Why? Because I need a reference point. That's pretty close to money, actually. Surprisingly close. We're a little bit off there, but we'll make it work. That's your next one right there. No, too far. Way too far. Back. Right there. Oh yeah, that's much better. This is gonna work. All right, look at that one. That one's pretty good. The first one was a little bad, but the second one got better. I think that's what we need the ruler for. So over to your left towards the iron. Go up, right there.
I want to be towards the iron.
The one on your right, flip around to the other direction. Okay, the one on your left, I don't know if that's the, no, you're good. All right, now your whites are here. Put them right sides together. He's got it. All right, next one. You can grab it, it's right there. I'll pull this one aside. Your top right is fine. Your very top right. Put your finger on there, then pull your bottom left out towards you, to the left. Right? Yeah, let's go with that. So
Easy, all day.
now, one second. Right in front of you is Wonder Clips, Brody.
I don't ever use wonder clips.
You're gonna just go willy-nilly.
Oh yeah, you got this.
Pick it up, sewing machine is right in front of you. Let me find your foot pedal. You're not even close. Keep going. Are you trying to do the left side or the right side?
I don't know. Either side. That's it right there.
Yeah, chop it. No, you need to come inwards to the sewing machine, so to your right there. Go for it. Keep going. Ooh.
Money, dude.
Let me see it. That was actually pretty good. That will hold. So this is how it was in your hand. So now it needs to be turned 180 degrees. Rinse and repeat.
Now I got it. Now I got a sew line I can feel.
Yeah. Watch it be the straightest line he's ever sewn. Yep.
We think
That's actually pretty good.
I could feel that one now. Friggin' reading Braille over here.
You're actually doing way better than what I thought you were gonna do. All right, rinse and repeat. I'm gonna hand you the next one. Down. Oh, that was money.
Was it?
Yes. You could have done that with your eyes open. People are gonna question whether or not he's blindfolded with how straight these lines have been. Oh.
That's the scariest part.
Good.
Is that out?
Yep.
Is it through?
Yep. Yeah, let me do your bobbin.
I got it.
You got it. A little bit more.
Watch this, ready?
He's got it.
You just cut?
Yeah, you just cut that.
How is that possible?
I don't know. You're talented. You're so talented. You're doing things you can't even do. Yeah, you're good. Like a champ. That's how you just sewed it. So you have to turn it around 180 degrees. Yep.
So that right there would be that. I'm gonna come over.
Money.
Is that?
Money. No joke. Check, look at it. That's money.
I feel like that's off, is that right?
No, you're good. You're good. Bingo. You want scissors to cut them apart? You want a rotary cutter?
I want a rotary cutter. Watch this. No help on this one. Give me a ruler.
Here's your ruler. I got your smaller one. You were perfect until you just moved it.
Oh, so I set it down?
Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Go for it. It's enough seam allowance to make it happen. Do you want to do the reveal? Half square triangles there?
And that right there is how you do a half square triangle.
Blindfolded. That's pretty good, guys. That's pretty good. Here's your next piece. That's the next one. I'll grab your half square triangles. Do you know what we could probably use? No, not yet.
Clearly perfect slotted trimmer?
Yep, I got a clear perfect slide trimmer for you, bud.
All day.
And you're using the biggest one on there, so you should be able to just line it up with the bottom almost. To your left, 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 right there.
This one feels heck of sketchy to cut.
You're gonna cut both your sides first. Just take it slow. You got this. No, not close. Okay, great. Now your side. Ooh, no, I'm not gonna let you cut yourself. This is not true, actually. Yep. No.
I shouldn't have set that down.
Do it again. You got it. It's in your hand. You only cut like half of it. You didn't stay on the ruler. Yep. Oh, beautiful. Oh, and then you have a little dog ear on that left there. Yep, that's good enough. That's good enough. Now you got to. Oh no, you're done.
Should be done, right? Because we cut these bottom pieces off?
Yeah.
Here's the full size one.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, Brody. You still have to press it, but we'll get to that. I'm gonna hand you the next one for a half square triangle.
Am I squaring this?
Yep, you gotta square that one too. Dude, money.
Is that?
Your left side can come down just a hair. Right there. Money. Money, money, money. You're good. Your rotary cutter. I'm not gonna let you move your hands around. Now turn towards me a little. Yeah, right there. All right, now you need to do your left side. Yeah, right there. Okay. Now down. That moved a little bit, but I think it'll work. Now bring it over here to iron. Yeah, so if you lay it down and you press it like that, it will go to the dark side. Yep. Yep, right there. Nice and slow. I would say that's half square triangle. All right, put it aside. Oh, you got it. You got it. You're good.
All day. Next one.
Okay. Here's the next one. Yeah, bring it in. Bring it in.
And feel the seam.
Mm-hmm. You're good. You're good. Bingo. So now it's time to do block assembly. So the two in front of you already. You're going to, no, not even close. Those aren't the right two to go together. One on your right hand, that one. Then there's one just to the left of that one. Okay, right there. Now put them right in front of you. The left one goes on top of the right one.
Like this?
Yep, now you're gonna turn the top one. One more turn. Yes, leave it just like that. You have two squares over here to your left. That one goes on top, or goes on the left side of the top one. And the other one, your hand's right on it, goes right below the one that you just put down. So it's gonna be on the left side of the right one. Perfect. That's the quilt block, just let everyone know. We're getting there. Go ahead, you're gonna take the top, bottom two, right sides together. Right there, perfect, beautiful.
That it?
Yeah, that's it. You need to bring it towards you like half an inch. No, towards you actually, like, yeah, right there. And yeah, you're good. You've kind of veered off to the left, so you need to bring it to the right a little bit.
Like this?
Other way, yeah. Okay, good. Yep, that is correct. Now do the same thing there. Right sides together. We managed to get ourselves a quilt block after all. I thought it was gonna be like a 10-minute video where I get cut and then we move on. Brody cuts his finger. Can you sew a quilt block together? No. And we move on. Yeah, you're good. Keep it going. That's probably the straightest line you've ever done. Yeah, you're good.
All day.
Put it on. Other direction. 180. Super. All right. Do you want to iron it or are we going for it?
Going for it.
Okay. Right sides together. Those seams are already naturally going to nest with each other. So we got to just nest that center seam. Yeah, on the money. I'll clip it for you. No, your machine's to your left. Bring it forward, 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 forward. There. Yeah, bingo.
Yeah?
Yeah. You got that clip right there in the middle as your guide. Keep going a little bit more. Right there, your clip is right in the middle now. Go for it. Keep going. You're doing it. You're doing it. I think that counts. All right, gotta give it an iron, a nice press. Bring it over here. Ironing board's there. In the middle. I'm gonna spray it with some starch. The center, you're not even close to the center. Right there's the center. Yeah. Yeah, keep going. You're going. You're good. You're good. And guys, just like that, your quilt block is complete. 100% blindfolded. All right, Brody, it's time for you to take off your blindfold and see how you did. You're done a lot better than what I thought you would.
Ooh, those studio lights are bright.
That's a pretty good.
I mean,
that's pretty good for being 100% in the dark there. Additionally, guys, if you like this quilt block that Brody just made, we have an additional video that shows you all the steps how to make this and the finished project with it as well. Brody, how do you feel about your quilt block? The challenge is over, obviously.
So let's take a look at this.
I mean, it's not technical.
I mean, there are a few rough seams there. That's a pretty straight seam, though, if I do it myself.
You had a couple that was just like
laser. Well, all in all, I would say it's pretty dang good. Like,
I also think, too, just as a side note of this, of just good product helps. Non-slip rulers, so you're not having to worry about where things are going.
I put my fingers on the thing and just...
You could trust, right? Sewing machines, obviously, some brands do better than others.
It's also nice knowing...
But this is straight stuff.
I've also used it a lot, so it's like I can know like where to feel.
You know where to feel and everything.
Bob and change.
It was impressive. It was impressive. And this machine particularly sews really straight naturally, so wonderful equipment also helps out the job a lot. But guys, with that, we hope you liked today's video. If you have, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't be afraid to share it with your friends. There's a pattern for this quilt that we just made, but it's in another video which is linked down below, okay? The whole video, you get the whole thing, you'll see it in the background, so make sure you download the pattern if you like it. And guys, thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.